Hey Mayvenn, Shay here to talk to you about how to promote our new services. We'll be sending new clients to your area. With Mayvenn's new services, you'll be able to promote them to your current clients while applying marketing tactics to keep them booked more regularly. Mayvenn is providing you marketing packs that include assets you can share. Share these ads and images with your clients via text, email, and on social media. If you're sharing via text or email, use one of our scripts to give you some ideas for best ways to pitch. Be sure to mention the biggest selling points of these services. They are value. These services are priced competitively and they offer clients a white glove service to book a quality service with a licensed stylist. Ease of booking. Our Mayvenn concierge team will do all the heavy lifting when it comes to booking their appointment and preparing them with anything they need. Our voucher payment system also makes checking out a breeze and ensures you always get paid. Variety. Whether your clients wear weave, wigs, or their natural hair, there is now an opportunity to service almost everyone. Another great way to promote your business and amplify your messaging is to share on social media. Here are a few of our tips. Explain the product offering clearly and concisely in the caption and be sure to include how your clients can book. Use hashtags that are relevant to your post. Be sure to ask all your followers to tag friends and keep growing your network. Share images that are professional and present your best work. Add your Mayvenn store and professional contact info into your profile description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials on how to best market your business.